A sudden chill has swept the Indian stock market. The usually bustling bazaars of finance, home to the vibrant Sensex and Nifty 50, have been struck by a cold wave of uncertainty. This is not a trivial breeze, but a significant market downturn, one that has investors and analysts across the globe keenly watching. On a gloomy Monday, both Sensex and Nifty 50 closed over 1% lower, leaving a trail of worry in their wake. The Sensex plummeted by a staggering 845.12, settling uncomfortably at 73,399.78. The Nifty 50 didn't fare much better, dropping 246.90 points to close at 22,272.50. These tremors were not confined to India alone. Asian markets also traded lower, with Japan's Nikkei 225 down 1.5%, mirroring the unease. US stocks ended sharply in the red, revealing a global pattern of investor apprehension. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Amidst this economic turbulence, there are glimmers of hope. China's Q1 GDP exceeded expectations, suggesting resilience in the face of adversity. US retail sales rose, indicating a consumer market that refuses to be stifled. Treasury yields hit 5-month highs, presenting a silver lining to those with a keen eye for opportunity. Back home in India, the goods trade deficit narrowed to an 11-month low in March, a significant development signaling a potential turnaround in trade dynamics. Yet the market's mood remains cautious as oil prices rose due to tensions in the Middle East, and the US dollar reached a 34-year high against the yen. In summary, the Indian stock market is in the throes of a significant downturn, with key indices, Sensex and Nifty 50 closing over 1% lower. Global markets echo this sentiment, with Asian and US markets also facing losses. Despite these challenges, there are signs of potential recovery, with positive developments in China's GDP, US retail sales, and treasury yields. Back in India, the goods trade deficit has shrunk, presenting a glimmer of hope amidst the uncertainty. As the market continues to navigate this storm, it's clear that the world of finance remains as unpredictable as ever. Yet in this unpredictability lies the potential for unprecedented opportunity. So, as we watch the unfolding drama of the Indian stock market, one can't help but wonder, what turn will it take next?